The first question is, what can be done to pastry dishes in order to give a golden shine? The correct answer is C, egg wash. Question 2. On the London Underground, the Bakerloo line is named after which two stations it originally linked? The correct answer is B, Baker Street and Waterloo. Question 3. What is an amount of biological material known as? The correct answer is C, biomass. Question 4. 3 of these countries are European. Spot the odd one out. The correct answer is C, Burma. Question 5. Which one of these characters is not from fiction? The correct answer is D, Benedict Arnold. Question 6. Whose version of Hello Dolly displaced the Beatles from their 3-month lock on the top of the Pops? The correct answer is D, Louis Armstrong. Question 7. Like many American artists of his time, Edward Hopper wanted to study in what city? The correct answer is C, Paris. Question 8. Which one of these is not a continent? The correct answer is C, Austria. Question 9. In 21st century warfare, what is a javelin weapon? The correct answer is D, shoulder-fired anti-tank missile. And the last question is, Dr. Spock was famous in which medical field? The correct answer is C, childcare. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.